Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the projector and removing the lens cap so you can see immediate feedback. Plug the unit into a grounded outlet and confirm the lamp indicator shows normal. Next, connect your video source via HDMI or DisplayPort and switch the projector to that input. This reveals whether cables or source settings need fixing. Place the projector on a stable surface or temporary mount centered to the screen. Doing this early saves repeated repositioning later, so you can begin optical alignment right away. Once the projector is powered and roughly placed, focus on precise image alignment. Set the aspect ratio to match your source and pick the projector's native resolution to avoid scaling artifacts. Use zoom and focus to fill the screen, then correct trapezoid distortion with keystone or lens shift. Make small adjustments and wait a second to let your eyes register change. After geometry is right, calibrate brightness, contrast, and color temperature against test patterns so the image reads correctly in your room. Finish by saving any lens or picture presets and tightening mounts and cable runs so the projector won't shift. Make sure you allow the lamp a brief warm-up and always use the power-off cool-down cycle to protect the bulb. If you need better contrast, dim room lights or add blackout curtains. If audio is required, connect external speakers and set audio output. If something goes wrong, flicker, no image. Check the cable and input first, then inspect fan vents and lamp hours as a primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.